Where I'm at now with this prop is doing the electronics. Mechanically and physically, I think I pretty much have where it's going to be. The circuitry itself will be in one of these sides here along with the battery, probably a single 9-volt. I decided I won't need two 9-volts, so maybe a 9-volt here and then the circuitry on this side. The electronics, the LEDs, this is going to be placed in each of the ports. This is a pegboard. It's kind of for one-off where you do point-to-point soldering and wiring. And there's 10 LEDs on each board along with the transistors that power up the LEDs. What will happen is they'll be placed here in this in the holes. Let me just kind of put one in here like that. They'll be placed in there just like that, one on either side, and the clear acrylic rods will actually go in those holes, and they'll lay flush right down on the LEDs so that they will shine through the tubing, and we get some lighting effect out of it. Over here is the rod that this is the clear. It's approximately maybe 1.25 inches across, and it will be in the holes as shown before. So basically this will be sitting just inside here like that, and then the LEDs, these will be shining up through the gaps here, through these grooves that I've placed in the rods there. I've spent a little time wiring up the LEDs. They are now wired in and functional. You can kind of see a little bit there. Let me see if I can turn this. Yeah, so the LEDs are in place. It's just sort of a mock-up right now, and I'm going to go ahead and power it up and show you what it looks like. Well, let me just take this out of here. Okay, this is how the LEDs look. What I did is I just programmed the circuit to actually just go in a sequence, just so we can kind of see the effect of the LEDs on the plexi rod when I put them in place. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, the plexi rod is in place, and you can kind of see the effect that the LED has on the machined slots that are in there. It kind of gives it a kind of a rotating effect. The LEDs are wired now in series, and what I'll end up probably doing is putting a red LED right up the center and have it turn on and off at various times within the program. So there we go, that's what it looks like.